Did you like Sky and Busy Izzy? Isn't that life, Mum?
Yeah,
Did you enjoy the show?
The kids love the show.
Thank
It's a
you
good
very
show.
much.
Because Izzy, she knows exactly what to do. Welcome to Nix and Nax. If you're looking for fun, we've got stacks. We'll sing and dance the whole day through. Welcome to you and you and you. Hands on your head, hands on your nose, hands on your feet, wriggle your toes, hands on your knees, turn around once and freeze.
Statues!
Busy Izzy says jump to the left. Busy Izzy says jump to the right. Busy Izzy says jump, jump, let's all jump together. Busy Izzy says shake your hands. Busy Izzy says shake your head. Busy Izzy says shake, shake, let's all shake together. Jump, 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 jump. Shake your hands, shake your head. Jump, shake, jump, jump, shake. Jump and shake together.
Which character did you like the most?
Bobby.
Bobby. You like Bobby, but he was so bossy.
I'm Bobby, a little bossy, it's true. But you are gonna like me, let me tell you. I am always right, I am never wrong. And that is why this will be your favorite song.
Don't be bossy, Bobby. Don't boss us around.
But really,
Don't be bossy, Bobby. Turn that frown upside down.
See, of
And I like
course.
Sky.
Which one?
Sky.
Who, what, when, where, how, and why? That's our secret agent Sky. Who's our favorite private eye? Secret agent Sky.
I'm Steven, and I never make the same mistake twice. I like to make choices that are friendly and nice.
Sensible, practical, perceptible Steven. Rational, reasonable, reliable too. He sets an example, our sensible Steven, so we can be sensible in all that we do.
That was excellent.
Did the kids enjoy the show?
I loved it. They were jumping around and dancing and singing, and they had a great time.
Colors, 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 all out on display. Colors, 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 we're painting pots today. The food in my little veggie patch is positively, naturally healthy. They're truly, truly. He's a little Aussie terrier, and he's extraordinary, absolutely huckleberry.
Thank you very much for the show. It is very, very wonderful and also enlightening for the kids.
What was your favourite song?
The pet song.
The pet song, really truly.
Busy Izzy's healthy recipe book. Open the pages and look. Choose a recipe we can cook. Let's sing along, sing, sing along. Sing your favorite song. Busy Izzy says, let's sing along, sing, sing along. Sing your favorite song.
It was a fantastic show. Music and the message. That's very important for the kids, and they get the message.
We very, very enjoy.
10-6, 10-4. Secret agents. Come on. Wow.
When we're indoors and not outdoors, there's so much we can do. If we use our imagination, creating something new. Bye now from Nix and Nax. Have you had fun? We've had stacks. We save the animal shelter too. Bye now to you and you and you.
The best show